unboxing video for the second part of the engineering kit, the builder's box. Here it is, white box. Don't get rid of the box, you will need it. This tool is called a crocodile. It's for setting eyelets and it punches holes in things. This is the instructions for it. This is very important. This is sort of the basis of our building kit. This is a Tyvek sheet, which is sort of like plasticky paper, very strong, and this is a way to keep your tools handy. This is a canary knife with a custom handle, good for cutting plastic and cardboard. This is some clear tape. Next thing we have are the eyelets for the eyelet setter crocodile machine. This is a 60-inch long flexible measuring tape. And this is a box of some electronics that will go with the contents of the first kit. First thing is there's a bunch of wires. There's 3 different probe tip wires which have kind of a little hook on the end. Makes it easy to hook onto the connectors on the microbit. There's 3 of them, red, white, and black. Then there's 2 alligator clips. The other end is for plugging into wires. This is a servo motor and little plastic attachments for the rotating part. This is a digital sound recording unit where you can record up to 30 seconds of sound and then trigger it, and it's sort of like what's in one of those electronic greeting cards. There's a little flap on here underneath the battery. You have to pull that out in order to get it to work. There's a plastic container. And then this is building supplies, including paper straws and tongue depressors, wooden tongue depressors. There's some pipe cleaners in there as well. Some brass brads, sometimes called paper fasteners. And then these are tongue depressors. You also see in the background there that little white thing, that's some thread and a needle. These are lollipop sticks, which fit perfectly through the eyelets and are good for things like axles. This is a container, a bag of plastic screws and nuts, which are also good for connecting things. And finally, there is some glue dots on a rule, and that's it.